Medellin, once synonymous with a troubled past, has transformed into a dynamic and vibrant city that showcases Colombia's resilience, creativity, and modern progress. Nestled within the Aburra Valley and surrounded by lush mountains, Medellin offers a rich tapestry of experiences that reflect its cultural diversity, innovative spirit, and remarkable urban renewal. The city's emblematic Comuna 13 neighborhood stands as a symbol of Medellin's transformation. Once known for its violence and crime, this area has been revitalized through community efforts and urban interventions. The colorful graffiti art that adorns its streets tells the story of resilience, and guided tours offer insights into the community's history and progress. Medellin's metro system, including the iconic Metro cable car network, is not only an efficient means of transportation but also a symbol of social inclusion. The cable cars connect the city's hillside neighborhoods to the urban center, making transportation more accessible to residents and providing visitors with panoramic views of the city's landscapes. The Botero Plaza, named after the renowned Colombian artist Fernando Botero, is a central gathering place that showcases his distinctive oversized sculptures. The plaza's artworks celebrate Colombia's culture and people while inviting visitors to engage with art in a public setting. Parque RV, accessible via the metro cable, offers a nature escape just outside the city. This ecological park is a playground for outdoor enthusiasts, featuring hiking trails, zip lines, and opportunities to explore the diverse flora and fauna of the region. Medellin's cultural scene is vibrant and diverse, with theaters, museums, and galleries that celebrate the arts. The Museum of Antioquia houses a collection of works by Botero, while the Interactive Museum EPM offers engaging exhibits on science, technology, and innovation. The Feria de las Flores, an annual flower festival, is a lively celebration that reflects Medellin's flower-growing heritage and cultural traditions. Parade floats adorned with vibrant blooms, music performances, and art exhibitions contribute to the festive atmosphere. For panoramic views of the city, the Cerro Nutabara Hill is home to the Pueblito Paisa, a replica of a typical Antioquian village. The viewpoint provides stunning vistas of Medellin's skyline and surrounding mountains, making it a popular spot for both tourists and locals. Medellin's culinary scene is a delightful fusion of local flavors and international influences. From traditional Colombian dishes to global cuisines, the city's restaurants and food markets offer a gastronomic journey that caters to various palates. In essence, Medellin stands as a testament to the power of transformation and the human spirit. Whether it's exploring urban innovation, engaging with vibrant art and culture, embracing natural beauty, or savoring culinary delights, Medellin invites travelers to embark on a journey that celebrates Colombia's past, present, and promising future.